Birds, the hour has come. Your power must be reclaimed from men and from the gods above.
I just don't see Zeus turning things over to a woodpecker.
But how shall we do this?
Very well. First, I propose the air we enclose in the space betwixt the earth and the sky, encircling it all with a brick-builded wall like Babylon, solid and high. As soon as the building has come to an end, a herald or envoy to Zeus we shall send to require his immediate and prompt abdication. But if he refuses, or shows hesitation, or evades our demand, we'll further proceed with legitimate warfare about and decree. Hereafter, no god, neither Zeus, nor any of the residents in heaven, will cast through our aerial domain for the purposes of impromptu lovemaking down below. Permission must first be granted by the birds and a small free pay. Otherwise, back to Olympus. Another ambassador also will go to the earth and tell those below that in future anyone wishing to beg favor to the gods and therefore offering sacrifice to the aforesaid gods must first of all make an appropriate sacrifice to the birds. For instance, if an ox is to be sacrificed to Zeus, the birds must be appeased by the sacrifice of one male mosquito.
And what if they do not obey?
What if Zeus lets loose with thunder and lightning?
What if the men ignore us?
Then you will swoop into their fields and eat up their seeds. Nothing will grow, nor will Zeus be offered any oxen. You will fly into their pastures and peck out their eyes, yes?
If they obey, what do we promise in return?
To defend their fields from insects and pests, as Zeus never did. Nevermore will man fear the beetle or roach. You will guide their sailing vessels flying back to warn of oncoming storms and showing them favorable winds.
I'm leaving. I'm going into the shipping business.
All honor to you, oh man. We thought the influence of our women were worse than low. We have found it the wisest and best of our friends. Our nation intends to do whatsoever this great man advises.
A spirit so lofty and rare, thy words have within us excited, that we lift up our hearts and we swear that thou would with us be united in words that are holy and true and honest and just and sincere. If our hearts are attuned to one song, we will march on the gods without fear.
Whatever by muscle and strength can be done, we birds can assuredly do. But whatever by prudence and skill must be won, we leave altogether to you.
Come with me. We shall lay our plans.
Very well. Oh, bring your luggage. Oh, hi. Wait a second. Come back here. How are we going to follow you